Years ago, a newspaper commentator wrote, and I quote, "Often, when historians set about figuring where a nation took one course rather than another, they are most interested in who said what to whom at a meeting far from the public eye, whose true significance may have been missed even by those who took part in it," unquote. I remember the many meetings we held with the President, away from the public eye, as tension consumed our country, and our citizens and the international community called for leadership. Our people said, "Enough is enough, let us part ways." I recall those initial chilly meetings where we uttered nothing to each other, and how they later gave way to warm and brotherly chats that enabled us to take a journey down the memory lane and come to a conclusion that something must change. We agreed that Kenya is greater than the two of us, that Project Kenya has not quite taken off the way our founders envisaged, that we have been held back by artificial divisions. We agreed that it was within our ability to be the agent of change that is needed. These agreements are taking shape. They're the foundation of the diversity of our people coming together through Azimio la Umoja. At no time in recent history has so many parties agreed to come together in pursuit of a united country. Azimio is a family founded on conscious consent. Everyone feel at home.